Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm just going to show you really quick how I'm going to get my seedlings started for the garden. It's a little bit late, honestly. I really would have wanted to do this sooner, but things have just been super hectic. I don't know, life gets like that. But I'm not going to worry about it. Whatever grows, grows. Whatever doesn't. It's fine. A while back, I did a video about not throwing away your toilet paper tubes. And I told you I was going to use them for getting the seedlings going, and this is what they look like. So check out that video if you haven't seen it. I think it's pretty cool, and I used recycled little like plastic containers here. These are like a tomato container, and I'm going to just fill these with soil, water them, and then get the seeds in here. Same thing here. I find that this taller tray definitely works better than the short one, but I think once the weight of the dirt is in here, this should hold fine. So we'll see. Yeah, sorry, I didn't have the camera here. So I think this will be fine once we get the dirt in here. And just really quick, I'm using two different kinds of dirt that I'm mixing together. One is like a really heavy, black, really thick and kind of meaty dirt. And then the other one is this very kind of fine, porous, almost like decomposed mulch material, and I'm mixing this in roughly equal portions to get this kind of a consistency, and this is going to be my potting mix. These are both organic soils that I'm getting, and they're like natural. They don't have any like artificial fertilizers or anything added, so these should work out really well. I've grown stuff in this before. I do all of my potted plants in these as well in this mix, so it's a good mixture, I think, of like moisture retention, doesn't dry out as much, but also doesn't retain the water as much, like so that it becomes a problem. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm going to get these filled up, and then we'll get some seedlings going, and I'll show you guys another update at some point soon of how those are coming along. Gonna hopefully get a lot of stuff going in the garden, so I'll let you guys know how it works out. See you in the next one. Bye.